As an esthetician for 22 years, I've always leaned more towards professional skincare products just because that's what I use on myself and in the treatment room. And generally, those more professional products have a higher percentage of the beneficial ingredients compared to drugstore. But this drugstore product I'm going to talk about today and review for you surprised me. And real quick before we start, if you enjoy skincare content and tips and tricks, also skincare product reviews, if you could subscribe to my channel and like this video, maybe share it, I'd really appreciate it. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler Moisture Bounce Serum. And you can get this in the drugstore. This isn't a sponsored video. I purchased this myself on Amazon, and I believe it was around $10, so a really reasonable price. This serum has a thin consistency, so it absorbs quickly, and it's also non-greasy. So I'm going to read to you the claims that L'Oreal makes about this product, and then we'll talk about the ingredients. L'Oreal claims that it is mineral oil free, paraben free, dye free, silicone free, and alcohol free, and that it gives you 72-hour hydration. They say immediately your skin will feel bouncier, skin feels intensely hydrated, nourished with moisture. Skin looks balanced, skin looks more radiant and revived. After 1 week, they say dry fine lines look minimized, skin quality looks improved, skin looks transformed, and after 4 weeks, they claim that skin looks plumper and healthy. Skin elasticity looks improved. There's a couple ingredients that they really emphasize, and that is glycerin, collagen, and squalane. And I want to start with collagen because that can be a little misleading because the molecules are just a little bit too large for the skin to penetrate deep into those deeper layers. So it's a good moisturizer, but it's not going to act like a filler that you would get from a nurse practitioner or a med spa if you went there. So, but it is very hydrating. And the second one is glycerin, which is a humectant, which draws water from the air and deeper layers of your skin to the surface. So your skin will appear more plump and hydrated. And next, I want to talk a little bit about squalane, which is one of the ingredients in it. And that is a really great moisturizer, helps soften your skin. And it also supports skin barrier, which is really good. And it's also non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores. It's also anti-inflammatory and lightweight. So if you have rosacea or just red blotchy skin, it can help with that. So with regular use, this can improve the elasticity of your skin and texture, giving you a more youthful look. So all that being said, I want to add that this is really great for all skin types. A big misconception, I think, especially like with oily and acneic skin, is people fear using hydrating products. But this is very lightweight and non-comedogenic. So even if you're oily, I recommend it. And I think it's what happens a lot of times too, people don't hydrate, which can cause more oil production. So it's really good to be hydrated for all skin types. I want to mention too that they talk about a light reflecting technology in this serum. And looking at the ingredients, it looks like they're probably talking about the titanium dioxide, which I made another video about that. And that's a great ingredient. So that's probably, and I noticed that when I put it on my face, it does look more radiant, and it's probably from that. The product directions recommends using it morning and night. under a moisturizer. So on a clean face, you'll want to use this as a serum and then use your moisturizer on top. I've been using it just in the mornings because I like to use a retinol or exfoliating product under my moisturizer and a thicker moisturizer at night. But you can do whatever you prefer. Just use it before your moisturizer. This product absorbs quickly, it's lightweight, non-greasy, and overall, I think it's a great product. This is actually the third bottle I've purchased. I really love how it makes my skin look and feel. And I do want to also tell you that it does have a fragrance. That's the only downfall to it. I know that can, kind of, if you have sensitive skin, that can be irritating sometimes. Or I don't know about you, just I'm sensitive to scents. I don't like products that have fragrance, but it's not super strong. It's a kind of a clean fragrance. And honestly, the benefits outweigh that negative part. That's really the only negative thing I have to say about it is it does have fragrance. So keep that in mind. But if you have tried it or using it and love it or have any thoughts, please put them in the comments. Or if you have any questions about it, I'd be happy to answer them. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.